Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, try to sit up from your bed, and you can't. Something invisible is crushing you into the mattress. It's not a nightmare. Gravity on Earth has suddenly tripled. What happens to you? What happens to humanity? And could our world even survive such a sudden shift? The first victim of triple gravity would be our own bodies. Right now, your skeleton and muscles are finely tuned for Earth's normal pull. If gravity suddenly tripled, your body weight would feel 3 times heavier. A person weighing 70 kilos would instantly feel like they're carrying more than 200 kilos. Bones would strain and fracture under the load. Muscles would tear just from trying to stand up. Even your heart would struggle, because pumping blood upward against this extreme pressure would be nearly impossible. Many people wouldn't even survive the first day, collapsing under their own body weight. Now picture your surroundings: chairs, tables, even your phone, all of them 3 times heavier. Lifting a glass of water would feel like lifting a heavy brick. Walking would be a painful crawl. Cars wouldn't move, because engines are not designed to drag triple their weight. Planes? Forget flying. They'd never leave the ground. Skyscrapers and bridges might collapse under their own enormous stress. Roads and buildings we thought were solid would crumble. Humanity's entire infrastructure was built for this level of gravity, not 3 times stronger. What about nature? Trees would snap, their trunks unable to support their own mass. Animals would collapse, unable to move. Birds would never take flight again. Oceans and rivers would shift, their weight pushing deeper into the Earth's crust, causing massive geological stress. Even mountains might start to sink or crack under their own colossal weight. Earthquakes and landslides would become constant. The planet would look familiar, but broken. But let's think deeper. What does gravity actually do? It's the force pulling us to Earth, keeping our atmosphere in place, controlling how our blood flows, even shaping our bones during childhood. If gravity suddenly tripled, our entire biology and civilization would be incompatible with survival. Over generations, if humanity somehow endured, we might evolve into shorter, stockier beings with ultra-dense bones and powerful muscles. Our lungs and hearts would be smaller but stronger. We would become a completely different species. So, what happens if gravity triples overnight? Society collapses, nature reshapes, and survival becomes nearly impossible. But within that struggle is a haunting truth. Life is balanced on a razor's edge. We survive today only because Earth's gravity is just right.